Hello, Marco from Axel Tech here. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Adobe After Effects plugin in CGPlus. First of all, the settings. I'm going to go into the render section, and here I can define the render folder where I keep my animations. And you can also define whether to render your animations locally from the CGPlus or to use the external utility to install on a separate computer so you can use, let's say, a separate CPU. So I'm going to go in pages into a free page, something with 0 objects like page 7, insert my After Effects item, object type, and I'm going to select an After Effects project. This project was downloaded from the internet, probably made with a previous version of the After Effects, which I have installed on the system. Of course, you need to install After Effects on the computer, and then it was converted by the After Effects. So as soon as you start, you select it, you see a green bar. Oh, my After Effects is not licensed, so I get some pop-ups here. So the green bar on top is actually rendering what I call a proxy file. It's actually the same the same file with unchanged text, and this will allow you to actually see the animation, position the animation, and size the animation on the page you are actually using. The speed of the rendering depends on the complexity of the file and how powerful your PC is, and the characteristic of the PC. Okay, so the file is ready, and as you see, the proxy template was made. It's a little small, so I'm just gonna put a little bigger and so forth. Next, you have to select which data of the file can be changed. We can change text, but also bitmaps. So in live data, as you see, the system proposes, see that I have two items, two objects inside the After Effects animation, and they're hidden. So I'm actually going to unhide them. Okay, so they are available for the user to be changed. Once I save this, what I'm going to do, okay, the system started rendering again, maybe for the dimensions or something like that. Let it render. I'm going to go to my main page. I'm actually going to select into my preview page the page 7, and here you see the data that you can change. So I'm going to insert some new data. So I'm going to say my name, and here it is. Then I'm going to put my title, which is CTO of Axel Technology, and then I'm going to wait for the template to render, and here it's coming. There it is, rendering. Almost there, almost 50%. Here I have an indication also of CPU usage, and we're almost there, and I should see it pop up in preview as soon as it's finished. There it is. Okay, and if I want to put it on here, I press the tick button, and here you have your cool animation. Thank you for watching.